Hello students, I am Vikas sir. In this part of the video lesson, voice tense part 4, I am going to discuss how you can change the sentences given in continuous tenses from active to passive. Let's go to the rules. Rules for voice tense. Present continuous tense. How can you point out this tense? There will be am is there plus main verb plus ing in the active voice in the given sentence. Example, he is playing football. This is in the active voice. Now look, he is the subject in the given sentence, play is the main verb, and ing is added to it, and is before it, and football is the object. In the passive voice, we use am after I, we use is after he, she or any name, and we use are after you or any plural. Rules. How to change from active to passive. Present continuous tense. What is given to you in the active? You will be given subject, am is there plus main verb plus ing plus object, or there may be some additional information after that. But the core of the sentence is this much, from subject to object, and you have to change it, this part of the sentence, into passive voice. Remember that. Now the rules to change it into passive. New subject is the changed form of the object given to you. Then we use am is there, being plus third form of the main verb plus by plus new object, that is the changed form of the subject given to you in the active voice. In the negative sentences, we use not after am is there. In the passive pronoun changes, you know, if in the position of subject there is I, you will change it into me. In the object position, we to us. These are the pronoun changes. You must remember them. And in all cases, in all forms of voice change, you have to use them, this form. When subject, it is I, and when it goes to the object, new object, it becomes me. And when object, me, it goes to new subject and becomes I. Likewise, these changes are very simple. Remember the chart. Let's change. He is playing football. This is the given sentence. This is in the active voice. Here new subject is football. New object is him from the subject given to you, he. And V3 or third form of the verb is played. We use by before the new object. New subject is not I, you or plural. So we use is plus being before the third form of the verb. So the passive form is football is being played by him. This is very easy. Football comes first, it becomes new subject, and him becomes the object. We place by before it, then third form, and before third form we place being and one of the verbs, am is there. Past continuous tense. How can you point out this tense? This is very simple. There will be was or were plus main verb plus ing in the given sentence. Rules for the voice change. Active voice, you will be given subject plus was were plus main verb plus ing plus object. Either was or were will be given. In the passive, you change new subject, you use was or were. What is new subject? Changed form of the object given to you. And then after was were, we use being, then the third form of the verb, then by, and then new object. That is the changed form of the subject given to you. Again, we use not after was or were in the passive voice. Examples. He was playing cricket. Cricket was being played by him. They were preparing reports. Reports were being prepared by them. In the first case, we use was because cricket was singular number and it was not I, you or any plural. So we use was. In the second instance, reports. Reports is the plural, so we use were. Likewise, David was reading English. English is singular, so we use was. I was writing a letter. A letter was being written by me. These are the changes. Okay, thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe, share or comment or like. Thank you for watching.